Hello beautiful and welcome back to my channel, and to just a quick little bonus video. I just wanted to film a quick little bonus video and I just wanted to talk about a couple of things that I've been doing lately that have been really fun. I know we're living in like super crazy times and maybe you're, I don't know, maybe you're struggling at home, struggling in quarantine, just trying to figure out things to do. I'm just gonna let you know a couple of things that I've been doing that I have been really enjoying while staying home. Also, I did film this look. It was probably the video up before this one. I will link it down below in case you want to see the look. Also, I'm wearing some jewelry from Anna Luisa New York. They did sponsor a part of that video. They're not sponsoring this one, but I still really love the jewelry if you're wondering about it. I will leave a link to it down below. If you want me to do a video, maybe like a get ready with me, chatting a bit about how it is in Sweden right now, do let me know. I have heard that some people are giving out some weird information abroad about how it is in Sweden right now, saying that we're suffering. I mean, everyone's suffering. But I mean, it makes me sad to see misinformation being spread about something that's really dear to my heart, which is my home, my home country. So do let me know if you'd like to see something like that as well, because I could definitely clear the air a bit. The first thing I want to mention is something that I love doing all the time, to be honest, but I've really been loving it during this time when I haven't really been leaving the home. Like I said, we're not quarantined in Sweden, but maybe this could help some of you. And that is taking really long baths with lots of products in it. I've been using oils and fizzers and like bubbles and all of it. Like just put all of it in there and just having a glass of wine. Having a glass of wine in the bath with a book, or sometimes I bring my phone and I just play like phone games on it in the bath. Yeah, I know. Like living on the edge like that. So far I haven't dropped my phone in my bath. Knock on wood, hoping it's not gonna happen, but yeah, that's been something really nice. And also it's just so relaxing to be in the bath and just soak a bit and just be in the bubbles and the fizzies and the oil and all of it. And definitely reading a book in the bath has been one of my I love reading, but I love reading either on planes or like buses or like flights. Well, it's not gonna be any flights. Or I love reading when I'm at the beach, which is also not really gonna happen. And I love reading in the bath. Those are my three favorite places like to read, so being in the bath reading has really been helping me. The next thing that I've really been loving, and this is a given, but I still want to give this as a suggestion, and that is playing video games. I know a lot of us are spending a lot of times in front of the computers right now, and if you just want to relax a bit, maybe try a video game. And honestly, don't be afraid to see if there could be something for you. There's a lot of really cool like retro games that you can play right now. If you haven't really been into video games, maybe since you were a kid or maybe never, I would highly recommend at Steam. You can get Steam for free. If you want to, I can leave a link down below. You can buy well, Steam is free, but you can buy games there. It's just like a launcher. You can buy the Rollercoaster Tycoon 2. Like the original, like Rollercoaster Tycoon 2 or Rollercoaster Tycoon 1 was pretty much the same thing if you play that. But Rollercoaster Tycoon 2 is available at Steam and it is wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. So if you do have a computer and you're feeling that you don't really know what to do and you're not already since before into video games, because if you're into video games, I don't think that this will be a surprise for you. You're probably already playing, but if you haven't been, don't be afraid to try something. Don't be afraid to try something new. I know a lot of people bought Switches to be able to play Animal Crossing. To be fair, Animal Crossing is like a mix between a child-friendly World of Warcraft and an anime series. If you've played both, you probably know what I'm talking about, but I would highly recommend you to check out a more easier game. Definitely would recommend Rollercoaster Tycoon. It is not a lot of stress, there is no killing or violence, you're just building roller coasters. It's very relaxing. Maybe it could be something for you to try. The next thing is something that this is just for me, but I have been indulging in some snacks. One of the things that I wanted to do in 2020 was to be a bit more healthier. Not because I like needed to lose weight or anything like that, but just wanted to be a bit more healthier. But I will say that if maybe you're like me and maybe you're feeling a bit stressed right now, don't be like holding on to too many of those little things that give you stress as well. Just let those things go. So I basically said, you know what? I'll take that 2021. I'm fine. So I've been indulging in snacks and crisps and ice cream and candy and just not letting that stress me right now because other things are so stressful. Is this something that's making me happy? I don't know, but at least it's something that helps me to not add on more stress on an already very stressy situation. The next thing I want to mention is something very easy, and that is to indulge in those things that you normally save for a special occasion. For me, that is fancy perfume. I love wearing perfume. I wear perfume every single day. During this time that has been, these has been my two favorite, my go-tos, my comforting ones. And for me, wearing perfume is like a daily essential. But certain perfumes I tend to save, for that that special time when I want to save my special and expensive, or like this one, discontinued perfume for a special occasion. But what better occasion than when I need to pick me up, when I can't live my life the way I thought I could, because all of our lives has been so changed, some in more dramatic ways than others. And I do think that if you also have things at home that you are saving for a rainy day, this is the rainy day. Or if you're saving it for a special occasion, this is the special occasion. Whip that out, enjoy it now, be a bit happier in the moment. I think that's really important. And this one, I love this one. This is the Cacharel Yes I Am perfume. This one has cardamom as one of the biggest notes. And it smells so warm and sexy and still young. Not sometimes they can smell a bit too heavy and too old, these sexy perfumes. But this just smells so, I don't know, there's something sexy but still young about this. And I love the cardamom scent. This is my favorite perfume of all time. Unfortunately, this is discontinued. This is the D&G L'Amoureux. This is a perfume that came out years and years and years ago, and it is discontinued now. This is a unisex perfume, and this is sex on a bottle. This is definitely the most amazing unisex perfume I've ever smelled. I love this one. And I'm so sorry to be saying that now that you can't get a hold of this, but if you do find this somewhere, I will show you the bottle, screen save it if you're interested. This is what it looks like. If you do see this somewhere, I highly recommend you buying it. When I heard that this was being discontinued, I actually ordered this very, very big bottle from Netherlands just to be able to have it. And you can see that I'm saving it for a rainy day, but I've been using it a bit now because it is a rainy day and I deserve to be smelling my absolute best. The last thing I wanted to mention is to do something that reminds you that this isn't the end of the world. The world is just taking a detour. The world's confused, okay? It's just taking a bit of a detour. She'll come back. This isn't the end. This isn't the beginning of the end even. This is just a detour. We're just on a break. We're coming back. Don't worry. And I'm not saying it's going to be exactly like it was after. It might not be. But this isn't the new normal. You have to remind yourself this isn't the new normal. This isn't how it's going to be forever. And even though it might suck right now, it's not going to suck forever. We're gonna see the end of it, although right now you might not feel like it. It's really getting dark behind me. I'm actually filming this after work. And I just want to say that my way of coping with that and my way of reminding myself that there is an after, there was a before, there was a during, and there is an after, is that I have been trying out a lot of spring outfits in my wardrobe. Reminding myself of all the cute things that I'm gonna be wearing once I can be out and about again. And if that is later this spring, if that is in the summer, I don't know, but I've been trying out outfits and I've been looking forward to when I can be wearing them out and about, because I will. I'm not gonna, we're not gonna end our lives here. This isn't the end, okay? This is an intermission. So if you're feeling a bit stuck and if you feel like you never know when this is gonna end and you don't feel like you have something to look forward to, go through your wardrobe, pick out a couple of cute outfits, maybe take pictures of them and save them in the back of your head or in your phone photos to bring out once you can go out again, because you will be able to do that. I've done that. I've actually filmed a couple of fashion things. I don't know if you've seen one already, but it felt really good to try them and to be like, I'm gonna be wearing this and I'm gonna be wearing it this year. Listen, I'm gonna be wearing it this year, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!